Hello friends, let me start with the fact that I am not qualified engineer, but I have created many engineers in my 51 years of career starting from year 1969. Presently, I am Professor Emeritus in Computer Science at one university in Ahmedabad and guiding research scholar for their PhD. I will discuss few important aspects of computer engineers today. However, it applies to any stream or the branch of engineering. Number one. Number one. Every human having a heart. Human is alive as long as heart is working. DBMS is the heart of any system, whether it is computer or any working machine. Maintenance is badly needed. Number two. Every human having a brain. Human will think as long as brain works. Software engineering is brain of any systems, computer or any other machine. It provides you direction and methods. Number three. These are the three very important aspects. The last one is re-engineering or reverse engineering. Now this is a troubleshooting and creative thinking to make machine working from stop condition. It all happens if correct information is available, and you have to be dependent on IT. That means information technology. This tool of IT, now I am referring information technology as IT only. This tool of IT is required by all engineers on the earth. I will not talk about bad, good or best quality of an engineer, because all engineers are human beings having brain and heart. I will avoid commenting on robotics purposefully. If you understand what is the quality, then it is sufficient. Let us not add further dimension to it. To me, zero defect is the quality. I know many of us do not agree with my understanding, as I am a scientist and not the engineer. Now first comes science, then it will drive you to the engineering. So I am basically a scientist. Now let us try to understand what is the quality of a best engineer versus what is the quality of a successful engineer. It is not necessary that all the best engineers they are successful. So let us see the first quality of the best engineer. There are 8. There may be more, but I will focus only on this. Creativity, problem solving, analytical ability, communication skills, logical thinking, attention to details, mathematical ability, leadership. These are the 8 qualities of the best engineer. Now let us see what is the quality of a successful engineer. The successful engineer is first and foremost, he is a practical person. He is resourceful. He is a team player, and he is always keen for continuous learning. All the other qualities which we have described about the best engineer, many of them are available. Not every quality which we have described, but maybe one or two as an engineer. These qualities are there in the successful engineer as well. But these 4 are primarily differentiate the successful engineer and the quality, the best engineer. Now, what you would like to be in the future? The choice is yours. Okay. Now you decide whether you wanted to be a successful or whether you wanted to be the best engineer. My above findings are based on my 33 years of experience in IT industries and 18 years of experience in academic institutions offering engineering courses in India and 1 year of experience in China. My current interest is only research, as it was my first job at Physical Research Laboratory PRL. Thank you all and best wishes on Engineers Day. Hope I'll find room in engineering community due to my contribution in generating engineers globally. Jai Hind. Thank you very much.